You're a litigation lawyer. Tell me that you face a bigger frustration than the fact that you study your file the prior night and in the morning you're thinking about nothing else but your client's case. You get up, you get ready, you travel maybe 30 minutes, maybe 90 minutes, maybe 300 minutes to get to the court. You spend between 30 to 90 minutes finding parking or traveling from the metro to the courtroom or climbing upstairs when the lift is full, and then you walk up to the courtroom and then you walk inside at 9:55 a.m. The court staff is sitting there and you are again spending the last few minutes revising your file, and then you go up to the court staff and you ask, is the judge going to be there? Is the judge not on leave? And the court staff says, we're not sure, we'll tell you. And then at 10:10 or 10:15 or 10:20, you find out the court staff says, Judge Sahab is on leave today, we'll be giving an adjournment in all the matters. And while all this was going on, you already left one more matter and you sent an associate, a friend, a colleague, a junior to seek adjournment in another almost equally or maybe 2% less important matter, which you could have gone and then argued if you would have just known that this judge is going on leave in this court prior in time. Tell me if you have a bigger frustration than this, because I have spent, I believe, thousands of hours of my life doing this exact same thing, like a Groundhog Day, day after day, for so many years. I, in fact, even moved a PIL, a public interest litigation, before the Delhi High Court a couple of years ago, pursuant to which the Delhi High Court passed orders that every judge must pass a notification. Right, the Chief Justice of the Delhi High Court at that time was pleased to pass this notification pursuant to this PIL that every judge must give a prior intimation in writing at least 24 hours before any intent should leave, unless there's an emergency, and that information should be uploaded immediately to the judges on leave website, because there is one. However, it is updated very late, and it's updated around 11, 11:30, 12 on the day that the judge is on leave. So what's the point? We've already spent 5, 7, 10 hours of our lives on this thing. And for a couple of months, people will recall there was some benefit. We were able to check and we were able to, make arrangements accordingly. But unfortunately, we're back at that space. One of my associates showed me research, and we'll again be re-agitating that PIL again in the coming few weeks. We're just in the final preparation stages. I request you to wish me luck in reopening the PIL, and hopefully we'll have some respite.